camera and battery. The camera on the LG K8 2018 isn't world-beating at 8MP, are you sensing the theme here yet? But not too bad for a cheaper phone. The front-facing camera is a 5MP sensor, and supposedly packs a front-facing flash by flaring the screen when taking the pic, but it seemed a bit dark to us. The rear camera supposedly helps improve low-light noise, presumably through software processing, and the darker pictures we took seem just fine, not mind-blowing, but okay. There's also a feature called Flash Jump Shot, where you can take a series of pics together and turn them into a GIF to share, hinting that this phone is aimed at the younger, or young at heart, generation. There's a 2500 mAh battery pack on the LG K8 2018, which probably will last pretty well given the minimal spec on offer here. If you compare that to the Sony's Xperia XZ2 Compact, for instance, that has a 2780 mAh power unit and that has far more work to do. There's nothing like wireless charging on offer here, but then again we wouldn't have expected it given the possible price point.